Good morning, all of you. Peace be upon you and your family. In this video, we are going to discuss about ligands under Unit 5 Coordination Chemistry. What are ligands? According to the scientist Lewis, ligands are electron donor. They donate a pair of electron to central metal atom or ion in a coordination compound. The ligands are electron donor. They donate a pair of electron to central metal atom or ion. The ligands are atoms or groups of atoms. Atoms or groups of atoms bound to the central metal atom or ion. Bound to the central metal atom or ion. Atoms or group of atoms bound to the central metal atom or ion. The atom in a ligand that bound directly to the metal atom are called donor atom. In general, the ligands contain one or more donor atom. Through the donor atom only, the ligands are bound to the central metal atom. So, ligands containing donor atom, through the donor atom, donor means electron donor atom. The ligand containing donor atom, that the donor atom donate a pair of electron to central metal ion, thereby a compounds are formed. How ligands are classified? Ligands are classified based on first based on charges and also on number of donor atom. First, ligands are classified based on charges. We have mainly two charges. One is positively charged and another one is negatively charged. Now, here I am writing the common name of the negative ligand. Common name. First, we are going to discuss about negative ligand. Negative ligand carry negative charges. Negative ligand carry negative charges. The charge of the ligand is equal to charge on it. Charge of the ligand is equal to charge on it. Common name of negative ligand. Then formula. If it acts as a ligand, the IUPAC ligand name. Common name indicate that if it acts as ion, counter ion, the common name is given. First ligand as usual, fluoride ion. What is the formula for fluoride ion? F minus. F minus indicate charge on fluorine equal to -1. If it acts as a ligand, the name is given as fluorido. If it acts as a ligand, the name is given as fluorido. Then, in halogen, chloride formula is Cl minus. Formula is Cl minus. And the name of chloride, if it acts as a ligand, is chlorido. Chlorido. The third halogen we know. Third halogen. Bromide. Based on charges, we are classifying the ligand. The formula of bromide is Br minus. What is the IUPAC name of this Br minus? Bromido. Bromido. Mostly the first letter is small letter. Bromido. Then other ligands. Cn minus. Negative ligand. Cyanide. Cyanide. Formula for cyanide is Cn minus. What is the name? Cyanido. Small letter. Cyanido. Cyanido. Fifth ligand. Under negative ligand, carrying negative charges. Hydroxide. Hydroxide. Formula OH minus. OH minus. One oxygen, oxidation state 2 minus. One hydrogen plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 gives minus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 gives minus 1. Hydroxido. 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 And the next ligand is nitrite. Nitrite. Symbol NO2 minus. Nitrite. NO2 minus. What is the name of the ligand? Nitrito. Nitrito. Then nitrate. Nitrate. Negative ligand. Nitrate. Nitrate. What is the formula for nitrate? Is NO3 minus. NO3 minus. The name of the ligand? Nitrato. Nitrato. Name of the ligand is nitrato. Then we are going to write the name of negative bidentate ligand. The name of negative bidentate ligand. Bidentate ligand. What is meant by bidentate ligand? The ligand containing how many donor atoms? 2 donor atoms. The ligand contains 2 donor atoms. 2 donor atoms. The ligand containing 2 donor atoms are called bidentate ligand. A bidentate ligand form 2 bonds with one ligand form 2 bonds with the central metal ion. And carbonate. 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 Formula for carbonate is CO3 2 minus ion. Carbonate CO3 2 minus. If it acts as a ligand, the name given as carbonato. O, this is O. Carbonato. Carbonato. Then, next bidentate ligand is sulfide. Sulfide. The formula given is S2 minus. S2 minus. What is the name? If it acts as a ligand, it is called sulfido. If it acts as a ligand, it is named as sulfido. Sulfido. S2 minus. Then another bidentate ligands are the next bidentate negative ligand is oxalato. Oxalate. Oxalate. Formula COO minus. COO minus. It is collectively written as C2O4 2 minus. What is the IUPAC name of this bidentate ligand? Oxalato. Oxalato. This is about which ligand? Negative ligand. Now, based on charges, neutral ligand. Neutral ligands. Neutral ligands. First, we are going to see monodentate neutral ligand. Monodentate neutral ligand. Monodentate. What is meant by monodentate? Neutral ligand. Having neutral ligand having only one donor atom. Neutral ligand having only one donor atom is called monodentate neutral ligand. Neutral ligand having only one donor atom. Monodentate neutral ligand. The common name of this is first ligand, water molecule. Water molecule. Formula we know H2O. The IUPAC name of the ligand is aqua. IUPAC name of the ligand is aqua. Neutral ligand means charge equal to 0. There is no charge. Charge of the ligand is equal to 0. That is neutral ligand. Then NH3. NH3. Ammonia. Ammonia. Formula NH3. If it acts as a ligand, it is named as amine. It is named as amine. Amine. Then third ligand, neutral ligand, is carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide. Formula CO. CO. If it acts as a ligand, the name is carbonyl. Carbonyl. Name is carbonyl. And fourth point. Nitric oxide. Nitric oxide. Nitric oxide. Nitric oxide. Okay. Nitric oxide. What is the formula? NO. Nitric oxide NO. What is the name? Nitrosyl. 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 Nitric oxide, nitrosyl. Then phosphine molecular formula pH3. Phosphine molecular formula pH3. Here now I explain this. pH3. This is your phosphine. 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 If the 3 hydrogen atoms are replaced by 3 phenyl C6H5 3 hydrogen atoms are replaced by 3 phenyl. It is also indicated by phenyl pH3. Phenyl. This is a molecular formula. The first 2 letters of the word phenyl. This is called triphenyl. Triphenyl phosphine. Triphenyl phosphine. This is common name. If it acts as a ligand, then we have to write the IUPAC name. Point number 5. Monodentate neutral ligand. Point number 5. Monodentate neutral ligand. Triphenyl phosphine. Triphenyl phosphine. Triphenyl phosphine. Molecular formula pH thrice. If it acts as a ligand, the IUPAC name is triphenyl phosphine. IUPAC name is triphenyl phosphine. All these are example of monodentate neutral ligand. Then I am going to write one example for bidentate neutral ligand. These are all monodentate neutral ligand. Now bidentate neutral ligand. Bidentate neutral ligand. Neutral ligand charge equal to 0. How many donor atom? Bidentate means 2 donor atoms are present in bidentate neutral ligand. 2 donor atoms are present in bidentate neutral ligand. Now, only one example. The common name of this compound is ethylene diamine. Common name is ethylene diamine. Common name ethylene diamine. Simply it is denoted as En. Formula CH2NH2 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 CH2NH2. We can also write this as NH2, NH2, then CH2, CH2, NH2. Nitrogen is the donor atom. Bidentate ligand. One ligand containing 2 donor atom is a neutral bidentate ligand. NH2, CH2, CH2, NH2. If it acts as a ligand, the IUPAC name is given as if it acts as a ligand, what is the name? Ethane 1,2 diamine. Ethane 1,2 diamine. One more ligand, but it comes under monodentate ligand. Monodentate, common name. Point number 7. Name of the ligand is pyridine. Pyridine is an example of heterocyclic compound, aromatic heterocyclic compound. Formula C6H5N. C6H5N. 3 bonds are present and 1 lone pair on nitrogen. The name of this compound is pyridine. Name of the compound is pyridine. If it acts as a ligand, its name is pyridine. So all these are neutral ligand. And under neutral ligand, one example of hexadentate ligand. One example of hexadentate ligand. You know what is meant by hexadentate ligand? The ligand containing how many donor atom? 6 donor atom are called hexadentate ligand. Before enter into writing hexadentate ligand, now see the name of this compound. Acetic acid is the second member of monocarboxylic acid. CH3, C double bond O, OH. This is your acetic acid. This is your acetic acid. If one hydrogen is removed as H plus ion, one hydrogen is removed as H plus ion, now we will get CH3, C double bond O, O minus. This is your acetate ion. This is your acetate ion. One is acetic acid, another one is called acetate ion. Hexadentate ligand is EDTA. EDTA. It is an example of hexadentate ligand. What is the name of this EDTA? Expansion. Ethylene. E-ethylene. Diamine. Diamine. Tetraacetate. Tetraacetate is your EDTA. Ethylene, diamine, tetraacetate. Example of it is a EDTA ligand. Now I am going to write the structure of ethylene diamine. Already we have written in state form. I am writing the structure. NH2. NH2. Structure of EDTA. NH2. NH2. CH2. CH2. NH2. This is your ethylene diamine. Nitrogen is the donor atom. To this ethylene diamine, the 2 hydrogen atoms are replaced by 2 acetate. 2 hydrogen atoms are replaced by 2 acetate. How to write it? When you add 2 acetate molecules here, remove 1 hydrogen from acetate. CH2, C double bond O, O minus, 1 acetate, 1 H is removed. Another 1 acetate, CH2, C double bond O, O minus. And also here, these 2 hydrogen atoms are replaced by 2 acetate. These 2 hydrogen atoms are replaced by 2 acetate. CH2, C double bond O, O minus. Here also CH2, C double bond O, O minus. How many acetate? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 acetate. So, dentate, one donor atom, second donor atom, third, fourth, fifth and sixth donor atom. It is your EDTA, and one more point is EDTA. EDTA act as a chelating ligand. It acts as a chelating ligand. Chelating ligand. And it is used in purification of hard water into soft water. Calcium 2 plus ion and magnesium 2 plus ion are removed by EDTA complex, metal EDTA complex. EDTA also used in the extraction of lanthanide, also used as a screening ligand, screening agent. Hexadentate ligand. Charge of EDTA is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 minus. 1 EDTA form 6 bond with the central metal atom, but charge of EDTA is 4 minus. This is EDTA hexadentate ligand. So, all these are about classification based on charges. The ligands are classified into negative ligand, neutral ligand and positive ligand. Now, classification of ligand. Classification of ligand based on number of donor atom. Based on number of donor atom. Based on number of donor atoms. How many donor atoms are present? Based on number of donor atom. How ligands are classified? The first type is monodentate ligand. First heading is monodentate ligand. Common heading. Already we have discussed it, but under negative, neutral we have discussed it. Monodentate ligand. Under this heading, both negative and neutral comes. Monodentate ligand. Ligand contain only one donor atom. Ligand containing only one donor atom. Only one donor atom is called monodentate ligand. For example, all example we can write here. F minus fluorido, chlorido, bromido, iodido, nitrito, nitrato, cyanido, hydroxido, amine NH3, aqua H2O, carbonyl, nitrosyl, all these are example of triphenyl phosphane, and pyridine C5H5N, pyridine. All these are example of monodentate ligand. Ligand containing only one donor atom. Now, classification based on donor atom. Second one is bidentate ligand. Bidentate ligand. Classification based on number of donor atom. Bidentate ligand. Bidentate ligand. That is ligand containing two donor atoms. ligand containing, one ligand containing two donor atoms. Two donor atoms is example of bidentate ligand. Examples are sulfato, SO4 2 minus, carbonato, CO3 2 minus, sulfido, S2 minus, negative ligand example, oxalato, COO minus, COO minus, negative ligand, neutral ligand example, CH2, NH2, ethane 1,2 diamine, ethane 1,2 diamine. It is simply denoted as En. It is simply denoted as OX. All these are example of bidentate ligand. A bidentate ligand containing how many donor atom? 2 donor atom. Third one is polydentate ligand. Polydentate ligand. Poly, you know the meanings. More than one. Poly. Ligands contain ligands having more than 2 donor atom. More than 2 donor atom. Donor atoms called polydentate ligand. Example of polydentate ligand just now we have completed, nothing but ethylene diamine tetraacetate. Ethylene diamine tetraacetate. What is the IUPAC name of this compound? First I write the name of this compound. Already we have written ethylene diamine. E for ethylene, common name diamine tetraacetate. But what is the IUPAC name of this ligand? That is most important. 2, 2 dash, 2 double dash, 2 triple dash, hyphen, ethane 1, 2, dinitrile tetraacetate. 2, 2 dash, 2 double dash, 2 triple dash, ethane 1, 2 dinitrile tetraacetoto is a IUPAC name of EDTA, which is also called echelating ligand. Echelating ligand form a cyclic compound with the central metal atom. Not only EDTA, the bidentate ligand, oxalato, then ethylene diamine, sulfato, carbonato, sulfido, all these form a cyclic compound with the central metal ion. Therefore, these are called chelating ligand. Negative ligand name end with O. Negative ligand name end with O. Sulfato, carbonato, sulfido, oxalato, all negative ligand name end with O. The actual name of neutral ligand are changed in coordination compound. Amine is called ammonia is called amine. Water molecule is called aqua. Carbon monoxide is called carbonyl. Nitric oxide is nitrosyl, and Ethylene diamine is called ethane 1,2 diamine and goes on. This is about the ligands in coordination chemistry. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Ambidentate ligand. What is ambidentate ligand? Ligands having same molecular formula but differ in their donor atom. Ligands having same formula but differ in donor atom is called ambidentate ligand. For example, we have 3 ambidentate ligand. Cn minus Nc minus. Both the ligand have the same formula, 1 carbon and 1 nitrogen, but donor atom is different. In the first formula, carbon is the donor atom. In the second formula, nitrogen is the donor atom. Donor atom is indicated in the name itself. Both the names are cyanido. The donor atom carbon is indicated by cyanido hyphen kappa capital C. Kappa. The symbol is used in electrochemistry for specific conductance. Kappa, not K, kappa. And this donor atom is in caps. Cyanido, kappa, N, capital N. Cyanido, kappa C, cyanido, kappa N. One more ambidentate ligand we have is, name is same, donor atom is different. NO2 minus ONO minus. NO2 minus ONO minus. Both the ligand name is nitrito. This is nitrito. Before that, donor atom is nitrogen, donor atom is oxygen. So what is the name? Nitrito hyphen kappa capital N. Nitrito kappa capital O. Donor atom nitrogen, donor atom oxygen. Ambidentate ligand. One more ambidentate ligand is SCN minus. NCS minus. SCN minus. NCS minus. Both are thiocyanidо. There is no change in this name. But in the first ligand, the donor atom is S, second ligand, donor atom is N. Thiocyanidо, kappa, capital S. Thiocyanidо, kappa S. This is your thiocyanidо, kappa N. Thiocyanidо, kappa S. thiocyanidO kappa N. All these are example of ambidentate ligand. Ambidentate ligand. What are the ambidentate ligand? So ambidentate ligands are same molecular formula but a different donor atom. Cyanido kappa C, cyanido kappa N, CN caps indicate donor atom. Nitrito kappa N, nitrito kappa O, thiocyanidO kappa S donor atom, thiocyanidO kappa N. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.